He's got to get rid of it in a hurry. And he does, and it's caught! Touchdown! Chris Matthews! How crazy. Another one of the Seattle free agents. You don't even hear about him until he recovers the onside kick against Green Bay. Tonight a 44-yard reception. And here, a touchdown reception. What a gutsy call.
Yeah, and you go, okay, Chris Matthews is the fourth receiver, and Logan Ryan's your fourth corner, but the size differential alone at that moment said maybe Chris Matthews should be the number one guy that we cover here. What a great call there by Pete Carroll.